Hey guys, it's Kelly and Daniel from fitnessblender.com, and we're excited to tell you that we just launched a brand new FB blend.
This one's going to be really fun. It's a combination of all of our favorite training styles: HIIT, strength training, agility training, yoga, Pilates, all that kind of fun stuff. And it's all going to be designed to help you build overall strength, overall endurance, agility, coordination, all that.
Yeah, we want you to feel amazing. That's what this program is about. So the workouts are between 32 and 45 minutes, averaging out to 38 minutes a day. And then we also have the option of an extra credit challenge every day of the program. So this is basically two of our most popular programs rolled into one. It's FP30 because you can work out right around 30 minutes. Or if you feel like you have the time and energy that day, you can tack on the extra credit challenge, which makes it more like FP Fit. So each day you get to pick how long your workout is based on how you feel and what you have time for.
Right. And remember, just like all the rest of our programs, you can reuse this program as many times as you want to, and you can adjust how the program works in our calendar system.
Exactly. And so, like he said, this is 5 days a week with an optional 6th day, but because of the online calendar, you can go through it at any pace that you like. You can reschedule and move things around. It's adjustable, so you can make it work for you. And you can repeat these as many times as you like and no extra charge. We actually have some people who have done programs over a dozen times, and it's yours once you've bought it. So and because there's no repeat workouts, you do a different workout every single day. There's a different workout waiting for you, so it's really hard to get bored. So you can actually use it quite a few times without getting bored.
And so if you like our FB30 and our FB Fit programs, you're definitely going to like this one. And if you've never done one of our programs before, don't worry. As long as you're in decent shape, you should be perfectly fine starting in with this one from scratch.
Yeah, it's intense. It is an intense workout, but we show low impact modifications, and we always encourage you guys to listen to your body. So it's about what works for you. It's not about keeping up with someone else or anybody's ego. It's just doing what works for your body.
This program is best done with dumbbells, but if you don't have them, don't worry. You can still get in a great workout without them.
So these programs are what have always kept our workout videos free. Our 600 and plus counting workout videos free. So thank you to anyone who has ever purchased one of these programs. You are literally what makes Fitness Blender possible for everyone. So thank you.
And anyone who enjoys our stuff for free, thank them as well.
Thank you for that too. Thank you for working out with us. Basically, if you trust with your fitness, that's kind of a big deal, and we appreciate it.
And don't worry if this program doesn't seem like the exact one you want to start out with. We have plenty of others to choose from that cover every fitness level and goal.
Including cross training, where you work out just 3 times a week so you can participate in your sport or running or whatever it is you like to do. We have programs that target different body parts, programs for different fitness levels, low impact program. We have different time constraints. We have all kinds of different stuff. So be sure to check it out. Yeah, we do. We do. Otherwise, we have a brand new workout that's going live here very shortly. So we'll see you for that. I think you guys are going to like it.
All right, guys. Bye-bye. Test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hello, everyone. This is Daniel.
See? So this is a combination of HIIT and strength training, Pilates, you name it, it's basically in there. That's not true because we don't juggle. That's whatever. It's HIIT and strength training. It uses all of our favorite training styles, so HIIT and strength training, Pilates. It's a combination of all of our favorite training types, which is strength training and that other stuff program. So we cut out a bunch of words, and then we can just jump into information. I don't know if that's going to help either of us speak the English
probably
language.
Not you. Okay, you're ready.
Hey, you can't even say your name.
And we've just launched our new
Did you relaunch it?
Launch it.
Launch it?
We launched it. We launched it in our website.
Launched it to the world.
Okay.
That worked out so much better.
Plenty of others to choose from that cover every single fitness style, fitness goal, fitness level. All of them. Everything.
Bye.
Plenty of others to choose from that cover every single fitness level and fitness goal.
No, I was going to say, good job. Programs, low impact programs. We have different programs for different. I messed up your good run. I got bold and I messed up your good run.
It's okay. You want to try one more?
Let's go. Stop messing up.
Yeah.
everybody.